The following question reads that a rigid uniform bar of length 2.4 meters is pivoted horizontally at its midpoint. So it's a 2.4 meter bar and it's pivoted at the midpoint. And then it states weights are hung from 2 points on the bar as shown in the diagram. To maintain equilibrium, a couple is applied to the bar. What is the torque and direction of this couple? Now, the first thing I'm going to try and do is that I'm going to try and calculate the clockwise and the anti-clockwise movements. So first, figuring out the clockwise movements. Remember that this over here is your pivot. That's the center point, exactly in the middle. This weight over here, 300 Newton weight, is going to exert it's going to exert a clockwise moment. So it's going to turn the ruler in this direction. It's going to try and turn it or twist it in a clockwise manner. This weight over here is your anti-clockwise moment. It's going to turn the ruler in this direction. So the weight over here is resulting or producing an anti-clockwise moment. This one is producing a clockwise moment. So now we're going to try and calculate our clockwise and our anti-clockwise moment. Let's start with the anti-clockwise moment. It's the perpendicular force, which is 200 newtons, multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the pivot, which is going to be 0.8 meters. So it's going to be 200, and that would be multiplied by 0.8. That would be my anti-clockwise moment. My clockwise moment, on the other hand, is going to be the force is 300 newtons. That's being applied. So it's going to be 300 multiplied by the perpendicular distance, which is this one over here. Remember, this is the midpoint. So this entire distance is going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to 1.2 meters. So they've given the distance from the end. So this distance over here, if you subtract the two values, it's going to come out to be 0.4 meters. So this distance over here from the pivot is going to be 0.4 meters. So I'm going to multiply that. And I'm going to calculate the two moments, both anti-clockwise and my clockwise moments. So over here, you can see I've gotten my two values. One side, the anti-clockwise side, has a 160 Newton meter moment. The clockwise moment is 120 Newton meter. The clockwise moment and the anti-clockwise moments are not balanced. So what is the torque and direction of this couple, this additional couple that needs to be applied? So on the clockwise side, this side over here, I need to make the two moments equal so that the ruler is balanced completely. 40 Newton meter needs to be added. So on the clockwise side, there has to be an extra 40 Newton meter that needs to be added so that this becomes 160 as well. And the two moments, the clockwise and the anti-clockwise moments, would become equal and they are going to cancel each other out. So the moment that needs to, or the couple that needs to be added is going to be on the clockwise side. It's going to be a 40 Newton meter couple. So A is going to be the correct answer for this question.